GK Kids.
The balloon seller. In a village, there used to be a balloon seller who would come every day to sell balloons. Seeing the colorful balloons, the children of the village would follow him around. After selling all the balloons, the balloon seller would return home. One day, while standing in the village market to sell balloons, he noticed that his balloons were not selling well. Just then, a child came to buy balloons. "Child, how much is a balloon?" Balloon seller, "1 balloon is for 10 paisa and 3 for 25 paisa." "Child, but I only have 5 paisa. Here's what we can do, give me 1 balloon for 5 paisa, and you can sell the other to someone else. This way, you'll still sell 3 balloons for 25 paisa. Balloon seller, "No, you'll only get 1 balloon for 10 paisa." Disappointed, the child walked away. He sat under a tree on a nearby bench. The balloon seller kept watching him. By evening, all the balloons were sold except for 2. The balloon seller called out to the child. "Balloon seller, hey, you haven't gone home yet. You've been sitting here since afternoon." Child, "Yes, brother. I told my little sister that I would bring a balloon for her. I'll go home when she falls asleep." Balloon seller, "Alright, let me bring a balloon for you with the 5 paisa you have." Child, "My mother is the only one at home. She works as a laborer. It's very difficult for her to even manage 5 paisa every day." Balloon seller, "Alright, here's the balloon. Take it for 5 paisa. What's your name?" Child, "My name is Mohan." The balloon seller felt pity for the child. Balloon seller, "Alright, take these 2 balloons. One for your sister and one for yourself." Mohan was very happy and ran home with the balloons. The next day, the balloon seller came to sell balloons again. He saw Mohan. "Mohan, brother, take 5 paisa for this balloon." Balloon seller, "Okay, take the balloon." Mohan, "No, brother, I'm giving you tomorrow's money. When I got home yesterday, my mother was very angry. She said buying anything without money is like begging. Please take these 5 paisa. Balloon seller, "Your mother is right. Don't you go to school?" Mohan, "No, we don't have that much money. I study at home." Balloon seller, "Where do you live?" Mohan, "Behind that big neem tree in front. That's where my home is." Time passed like this. Mohan sometimes bought a balloon for 5 paisa and gave it to his sister. A few days later, the balloon seller didn't see Mohan anymore. He didn't even come to buy balloons. One evening, the balloon seller went to Mohan's house. Balloon seller, "Mohan, Mohan." Mohan's mother came out. Balloon seller, "Sister, Mohan hasn't come to buy balloons for many days." Mother, "Brother, I lost my job. After the harvest, there's no work for the laborers in the fields. It's very difficult to manage the household expenses. I can't give Mohan any money." Balloon seller, "Can I send Mohan with me to sell balloons? We'll roam around the village and sell balloons." Mother, "But, brother, he's very young." Balloon seller, "Sister, this might help you. I want Mohan to go to school. The money earned from this work can be used for his school fees. He will sell balloons from noon till evening." Then Mohan came out, and he heard everything. Mohan, "Yes, mother, I think what he's saying is right." His mother agreed. From the next day, Mohan started going with the balloon seller to sell balloons. The balloon seller got Mohan admitted to school. Along with studying, Mohan started selling balloons in the evenings. Gradually, Mohan grew up. By that time, The balloon seller had become old. Mohan, father, you don't have to work anymore. I have completed my studies and I will soon get a job. Balloon seller, son, you also have to take care of your mother and sister. I'll manage my life somehow. You save money for your sister's wedding by working. Mohan tried very hard. One day he received a letter at his home. He got a government job. Mohan first told this news to the balloon seller. Mohan, father, I got a government job. The balloon seller hugged him. Balloon seller, well done, son. Your hard work has paid off. Now, go to the city and don't forget to visit me sometimes to buy balloons. Mother, no, brother, all this is because of your hard work. We will stay together in the city. Mohan will arrange everything, and then we'll come to take you. Mohan hurriedly went to the balloon seller's house. Mohan, Grandpa, you have helped me all my life. When it was time for me to help you, you left us. He said this while crying. Mohan's mother silenced him. Mother, son, some people are like trees. They provide shade, give fruits and wood, but they don't take anything. Mohan still remembers the balloon seller and tells his story to whoever he meets. He always remembers the balloon seller.